The city looks different today for sure. Yeah, no. Let me get over this side. Yeah, no. Let me get over this side. Even with the snow tires, we ain't having it. It's sniff and slide. I ain't trying to bust my ass. None of these orders are for me. Can't lie, you gotta admit that was a save. If I was actually pedaling through that, I would have hit the ground. I'd probably still be lying there. Going downhill is not really a good option. So today's the day where you want to have your seat as low as possible and try and keep a foot to the floor at times. It will help you balance out, especially if you're going downhill.